The second part to helping us find the graph when we're in standard form is how to find the vertex. We have to find the axis of symmetry first, because just like in vertex form, the axis of symmetry is the x value of the vertex. So in this problem, A is 1, B is 8. So when we use the formula for axis of symmetry, we're going to have x equals negative 8 over 2 times 1. So negative 8 over 2 gives me negative 4. That's the x value of our vertex. Now, when we know an x value, we can plug that x value in to figure out the y value. So we've got negative 4 squared plus 8 times negative 4 minus 2. The great thing about our calculators is we can type this straight into our calculators. So if I have negative 4, I square it. I add 8 times negative 4. And then I subtract 2. I get negative 18. Okay, my calculator did the order of operations for me. So if I had done this piece by piece, I would have gotten 16 plus negative 32 minus 2. And I still would get negative 18. But my calculator can do those steps. Again, I have negative 4. I hit the squared button. Then I hit plus 8 times 4 negative. Then minus 2 equals. So my vertex is at negative 4, negative 18. Just like in vertex form, if A is positive, the parabola would look like this. So it has a minimum. If A is negative, the parabola would look like this. So it has a maximum. This function, my A is 1, it's positive, has a minimum. Okay, so we're going to do another one. Number 6. I write down my A value, I write down my B value, and then I figure out my axis of symmetry with the formula. Negative B over 2A. Negative 4 over negative 4 gives me positive 1. That's the x value of my vertex. I plug that value in. All right, and I think this is going to work in the calculator. Negative 2 times negative 1 squared equals, do I have to hit equals? Let's try it without hitting equals and see if it works. Oh, it's positive 1. These are positive ones. Let's try that again. Negative 2 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 plus 1 is 3. It works. All right, this graph is going to open like this, so it has a maximum.